How to use Claude AI for academic writing guide. Are you spending weeks writing essays, research papers, and theses when you could be cutting that time in half? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use Claude AI for academic writing in 2026, so you can write stronger papers faster while staying within academic integrity guidelines. Before we start, let me be clear about what Claude is and what it is not. Claude is an exceptional thinking partner, editor, and research organizer. It is not a replacement for doing the actual intellectual work. You remain responsible for every claim, every citation, and every argument in your paper. Using Claude to help you think more clearly and write more efficiently is good academic practice. Using Claude to write your paper instead of you is academic dishonesty. With that said, let us get into the legitimate ways to use Claude. Step 1. Use Claude to brainstorm and outline your paper. Before you write a single sentence, start a conversation with Claude about your topic. Give it your research question, your course requirements, and your perspective on the topic. Ask Claude to help you brainstorm 3 different thesis statements or approaches to your argument. Ask it to outline a logical structure for your paper. This clarifies your thinking before you write anything. The outline you create is yours, written in your voice. Claude is just the thinking partner speeding up a process you would do alone anyway. Step 2. Upload your research papers and have Claude synthesize them. Go to Claude.ai, start a new conversation, and use the attachment icon to upload PDFs of the key papers you have read. Ask Claude to summarize the main arguments across all of them and identify where they agree, disagree, or build on each other. This is literature synthesis. Claude can do in minutes what takes you hours manually. The synthesis is your jumping-off point. You then write your own analysis of what these sources mean. Step 3. Use Claude to improve clarity in your dense writing. Write your first draft in your own voice. Then paste a paragraph or section into Claude and ask it to identify where your writing is unclear, where your logic jumps too quickly, or where you use jargon without explaining it. Ask Claude to suggest how to improve clarity without changing your meaning. You then rewrite it yourself using Claude's suggestions as feedback. The writing remains yours. Step 4. Ask Claude to argue against your thesis. This is the most underrated use case. Paste your argument into Claude and ask it to write the strongest possible counterargument to your thesis. Ask it to identify the weakest part of your logic. Ask it to find places where you make unsupported claims. Then you address those counterarguments head-on in your paper. This makes your work significantly stronger because you are not just advocating, you are defending your position against genuine challenges. Step 5. Use Claude to draft methods and structural sections. If you are writing a research paper or thesis with a methods section, a literature review, or a discussion, these sections follow predictable academic patterns. You can paste your notes about your methodology, your data, and your analysis, and Claude can draft a methods section in proper academic language, past tense, passive voice, and third person. You then review it, make sure it is accurate, personalize the voice, and submit it. The section is based on your actual work, Claude just formatted it. Step 6. Use Claude to summarize your completed paper into an abstract. Once your paper is written, paste the whole thing into Claude and ask it to write a structured abstract following the format required by your discipline. Background, aims, methods, results, conclusion. Claude produces a solid first draft that you then review and refine. Abstracts are one of the few sections where Claude output requires minimal personalization because abstracts are inherently impersonal. Step 7. Set up a Claude project for your entire research workflow. This is the game changer for serious academic work. Create a new project inside Claude specifically for your paper. Upload all your key sources, your course syllabus, your assignment requirements, and your notes as project files. Every conversation in that project automatically has access to this context without you needing to re-upload or re-explain anything. You can then reference your sources directly, ask follow-up questions, and get feedback that stays consistent with your actual work. Now here is your pro tip. The most effective academic writing workflow uses Claude as a thinking partner throughout, not as a final ghostwriter. The writers who gain the most from Claude are the ones who use it to sharpen their arguments, catch logical gaps, synthesize research, and improve clarity in their own drafts. They are not using it to write the paper instead of them. They are using it to write a better paper than they would write alone, faster than they would write it alone, and with more confidence in their argument because they have stress-tested it against counter-arguments Claude generated. So to recap, use Claude to brainstorm thesis statements and outlines, Upload your research papers for synthesis. Ask Claude to identify gaps in your logic. Ask it to argue against your thesis. Have it draft structural sections based on your notes. Use it to summarize your completed paper into an abstract. And set up a Claude project so all your sources stay accessible throughout your writing process. If this video helped you understand how to use Claude for academic work, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI learning guides. And drop a comment below telling me what kind of academic writing you are working on. See you in the next one.